Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about the origin of Chinese zodiac. Before we start, I'm gonna tell you guys that actually there are a lot of versions of the origin of Chinese zodiac. And today I'm gonna tell you guys one of the version. Okay, let's start. Long time ago, people always forgot in which year they were born and could not figure out exactly how old they were. So, the Jade Emperor came up with an idea to choose 12 animals to represent the years. And he, with the help of the Earth God, made a river crossing race. All animals are welcome to compete. The first 12 animals across the finish line will be chosen as the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac. After the announcement, all of the animals got very excited, and everyone was talking about the race. At that time, the cat and the rat were very good friends. They met to discuss the race, and because they couldn't swim, they decided to ask the ox to carry them across the river. And the ox said okay at once. The day of the race soon came. Early that morning, before the rooster woke up, the ox, the cat, and the rat were already at the riverside. The cat and the rat climbed onto the back of the ox, and then they started swimming across the river. The cat became sleepy because he got up so early that morning. He fell asleep as soon as he got on top of the ox's back. The rat wanted to win the first place so badly, so when the ox was a few seconds away from the opposite bank of the river, the rat pushed the cat into the water and went into one of the ox's ears. The ox had no idea of what had just happened, but heard the rat saying, "Big brother ox, go go go, we are almost there, we can make it." The ox climbed up the shore and ran to the finish line. The rat jumped out of the ox's ear and rushed to the finish line to win first place. The ox was very angry. Ever since then, the ox always looked at the rat with his enormous eyes. Then came the tiger. The tiger was roaring. "I am the first, right?" "No, you are the third," said the Jade Emperor. A whirlwind came in the sky as the dragon arrived, but the rabbit sprinted ahead and took the fourth place. The rabbit could not swim, but jumped across the river on the backs of the other animals. The sky was filled with flying dust. The horse was dashing at full speed, but as he was about to cross the finish line, the snake suddenly shot through to come in sixth. Poor horse. Working together, the goat, the monkey, and the rooster rode on a log. As a result, they earned themselves 8th, 9th, and 10th place, respectively. Then came the dog. He was a playful fellow. As he crossed the river, he had such a good time in the water that he forgot the time. Only one opening was left. All the people wanted to see who was in the lead. The pig arrived and said, "I'm starving. Is there any food to eat here?" The race was over. The Jade Emperor at once announced the places of the 12 animals in the zodiac. 鼠 牛 虎 兔 龙 蛇 马 羊 hole. T.狗. True. At that time, the cat arrived dripping wet, and he asked, "What is my place?" And the Jet Emperor answered, "You came in 13th. The cat was mad. "You bad rat," he said. "I won't spare you." The cat slapped the rat across the face and knocked out all of his teeth except the two in front. Today, when the rat sees the cat's shadow, he runs like crazy. Even in daytime, he hides in a hole, not daring to show his face. The end. So, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video to your friends and family if you find this video is useful. See you in the next video. Ciao!